exhale, down. After this, you can just cross your legs as well.
This is push-up.
No, just showing going Chaturanga. This. Support, up, and this. Once you've done this, after this, free the knees. And Chaturanga. Our back body is trying to go down, but my front body is trying to push me back. No, I don't want to go down. So you have to activate, engage the core, and then you have to lean down this way. Means fully control the front body to going down. And then come up. When you will do like this, when you do the Chaturanga like this, it will help you to get the strength in the arms, in the core. Otherwise what happening? We are just falling down. No. We have to try to push ourselves away from the gravity. Okay? Just like